Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, December 6, 2021. Friday was another weekday in the markets. We sold pretty much the entire session till right there at the end, where we got a decent pop back to around VWAP area there on the close of the session. But we had a weekday and we closed below the lower Bollinger Band. So that can be thought of as an oversold type of day. And that's what we're going to be looking at this morning, is what has happened historically following a day that closes below its lower Bollinger Band. Let me go ahead and set this up. We're using all four instruments. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15. We are currently trading higher in the overnight session. I'm going to add that to the test by going to the gap direction and clicking on gap up. Next, I'm going to go into the indicators library, and I'm going to add that close below the lower Bollinger Band, which comes from our overbought, oversold category here. It's this bottom option. I'm going to hit equals next to it. I could also grab it from the active today. It's that top option. Next, I'm going to say that we are below a 10-day simple moving average, but above a 200-day simple moving average. And now I can click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When the prior session closes below the lower Bollinger Band, it is below a 10-day simple moving average and above a 200-day simple moving average, followed by a gap up. Historically, we've got 92 samples of this dating back to 2003 for the S&P. There are 89 in the NASDAQ, 80 in the Dow, 95 in the Russell. Win rates on these look like they're all just mildly favored. S&P, the strongest of the group, coming in at 59% of these have closed above the opening print for the session. The NASDAQ is 57%. Dow's a bit more neutral at 53%, and the Russell coming in at 57%. If we look at the average moves, the average loss is slightly larger than the average win for the S&P. The NASDAQ has a larger average win. The Dow average loss is larger than the average win, and the Russell is almost identical in the average moves. So we're kind of mixed on the average moves here. The win rates are just slightly favored, with S&P being the strongest of the group at 59%. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.